You sending the whoop?
You feel better, motherfucker?
Shit, Negro. That's all you have.
The reason why we like this jewelry and this diamonds and stuff, and they don't understand, is because we really from Africa, and that's where all this stuff comes from, and we originate from kings, you know what I'm saying? So don't look down on the youngsters because they want to have shiny things. It's in our genes, you know what I'm saying? We just don't all know our history, so.
Blood 60 racks on me, brought the looter around with the OK. I don't give a fuck who Blood 60 racks on me, brought the looter around with the OK. I don't give a fuck who but he don't even know. This a press, drop 100 shots out the block and jam, had to reset it. Yeah, nigga, I'm so extra. If I buy a deuce from you, I want my extras. I can't go a day without my medicine. Every nigga around me got a felony.
I'ma pull up and go get it. Count this money to get it. Malicon, then I move off. Uptown, talking speed talk. Gas in my blood, some pressure. We moving the back with no pressure. No pressure, gon' need more than 30 is special. I'm talking about top of Beretta.
That's what them niggas just extra. Trapping, I need to go middle. I don't wanna run the bands. You cannot get on my level.
Wanna see me? Money come and go, so a nigga flexin'. Flex on that bitch cause she don't understand me. You can see me they talk bitch.
I'm at work, my lawyer called me like, hey, your bond is finna be took. Like, you gotta go to court, we got a court date. I'm like, for what? She like, did you just drop a music video? I'm like, yeah. She like, I don't think that was a good idea.
Hey, you niggas so lame. I can run a buck 20 up off cocaine. Shooting up a crib, nigga, I don't play them hoe games. Like, Gary, put some diamonds in my watch, I don't want it plain.
Yo, who is it? Who sent you? Yo, nigga, who sent you?
It's me, Mika.
Alright.
Talking about the other body, but that's a different situation. Caught a nigga bitch frying chicken like the kitchen pan.
Don't look down on the youngsters because they want to have shiny things. It's in our genes. You know what I'm saying? We just don't all know our history, so.
Little nigga, you can have it all. Walk up in the mall, you can buy it all. Diamond rings and a fancy cars. If you gon' tuck your chain, then why you have it on? Little nigga, you a superstar. But you gotta come before you walk. Celebrating at a restaurant.
We gon' do that.
Live it up, your mama see.
I heard you been scoring. The way the people call your phone. You must be important. Game so tight, you know I'm swagging like Jordan. Spaceman, Kush, all these damn G-forces. I won't take a baby mama just like Boosie. Sipping on the syrup like no illusion.
Break this shit down by the milligram. In my trap house, me and my brother sold 1 million grams. These Cubans on my neck way up to about 1 kilogram. And I ain't flexing, I don't cap for folks on Instagram. Get in the pipe, this shit blow up, we call it Instagram. My brother Dash, he a chemist, he the kitchen man. We break this shit down by the milligram. In my trap house, me and my brother sold 1 million grams. These Cubans on my neck way up to about 1 kilogram. And I ain't flexing, I don't cap for folks on Instagram. Get in the pipe, this shit blow up, we call it Instagrams. My brother Dash, he a chemist, he the kitchen man. Street nigga, you can see this shit up in my face. I ain't never tripping by no bitches, I can't tie my lace. Just counting 50 in the business, smoking purple haze. Knew it was in me, I was selling candy in the 7th grade. Never bucking nothing by 11, I took 7 fake.
Ride with it.
Ain't nothing close.
I'll do all that other shit later, dude. Yeah, we rollin' hard, no stopping. That bad chick on my train, and she won't smoke. Let's go, we turned up nigga in this thing, and we rollin' hard, no stopping. That bad chick on my train, and she won't smoke. Let's go, we turned up nigga in this thing, and we rollin' hard, no stopping. We rollin' hard, no stopping. in the coffin, we ain't playing nigga. We two turn, you wanna pop, try to go on down low. Cause I'm rolling hard, nigga, pass the dope. We two turn, and turn, let it go. But she keep coming back, she want the dope, so I let it go. Cause I'm getting dope. Power girl, you want some more. Fly nigga like me, y'all nigga too. I'm getting money, I'm ballin' too. Like fly nigga like me, y'all nigga too.
Last time I checked, I was the man in the trap. When I wear my watch, that's 80 bands in my trap. We don't sell no turkeys or no sands in my trap. All we sell is caliber and sand in my trap. All we sell is caliber and sand in my trap. All we sell is caliber and sand in my trap. All we sell is caliber and sand in my trap. All we sell is caliber and sand in my trap. I just cut my scale on this time to get shit poppin'. Since ain't 28, they 25, still seeing profit. My bitch got 30 racks, bitch, that's a half a brick of dope. My plug do 30 packs, cause he know I can get him off me. Brand new J, brand new fade, this ain't mad, brand new blade. I just bought a pound for 21, sold it for 28. Shawty let me fuck her and her friend because my paper's great. She want me to take her out, told her on a later date.
But I dropped the whole clip and let you laugh shit. Freak my black and lit the wrong end on some backward shit. Damn, I'm glad it wasn't no plastic tip. My little cousin whack his hell, but he'll whack some shit. Got enough to buy a pound, but I'ma grab a zip. I'm fiending, I'll pay 200 for a line of activists. I'm still fucking with the Johnny Depp, turn a beam on the not a threat. I ain't verified on Instagram, but I got a check.
See, how this shit going? Goddamn one of them way.
The world and everything in it. This is every trap in New York City. I'm making plays, they call me Leon. I'm making movies, call me Leon.
Sending the what?
You feel better, motherfucker?
Shit, Negro. That's all you had to say.
I know you ain't gonna let this shit go down like this, nigga. I'm hearing all these niggas in the club, niggas signing like you, nigga, buy your motherfucking ad libs, nigga, buy your motherfucking style, nigga. What the fuck going on? These motherfucking niggas, man. Real fuck with real, these niggas ain't real. These motherfucking streets, man. Especially the industry niggas, man. We been doing this shit since 2012. Last time I checked, I was the man in the trap. When I wear my watch, that's 80 bands in my trap. We don't sell no turkeys or no sands in my trap. All we sell is caliber and sand in my trap. I just cut my scale on this time to get shit poppin'. Since ain't 28, they 25, still seeing profit. My wrist got 30 racks, bitch, that's a half a brick of dope. My plug do 30 packs, cause he know I can get him off me. Brand new J's, brand new fade, this ain't Madden, brand new plays. I just bought a pound for 21, sold it for 28. Shawty let me fuck her and her friend, cause my paper's great. She want me to take her out, told her on a later date. No, I don't know NBA, but I'm still from 38. Pull up unannounced, and my compadre, I'm gon' get you straight. Cooking all these ounces, sent her to the store for paper plates. Baking soda and razor blades, glad bag, and she kept the change. Vacuum seal these 2,000 a piece, you say you want a scope. Bitch, I'm Mr. If you caught 2 P's, I just might front you folk. Bitch, I'm Mr. Hands all on your knees after I get the throat. Bitch, I'm Mr. Come back 23 after I hit the yoke. Yeah, they know who I be. Yeah, all this jewelry. Yeah, she be screwing me. Yeah, she be chewing teeth. Lil' bro poppin' perks, what? Like he blew his knee. I like F'ing N's, and he like 223s. All these diamond dance, smoking in a mansion, thinking about expansion. Take some bricks to Canton, take some zips to Georgia, make a flip in Florida, fuck off across the border, stack paper like a hoarder. I just smashed your mama, that's your granny daughter. Smoking out the PV, you blowing out the quarter. Sometimes I rock designer, the sneaker Michael Jordan. Sometimes I make a porno, I fuck her while recording. Yeah, and I will bring that scrap out. I'm in Dallas shooting crap with Dirk and Jerry Stackhouse.
Talking that shit now.
And I will bring them racks out. Venus and Serena when I'm finished beating that pack out. Smoking so much Doja, me and JP down there blacked out. We was at G5, I seen a nigga pull his Mac out. I was at the office in the Lambo trying to back out. I was in a dark place in my life, but I climbed back out. Bitch, I feel like fishy. In here cooking fishes. Keep them blues in 50s. Dior shoes and Dickies. Serving Bobby Brown, but his name was Whitney. If I keep serving everybody, auntie, they gon' get me.